My video is dedicated to help you get rid of the adware called SkilledValue. SkilledValue stands for a new adware from the adload family. This particular adware attacks Mac computers. It attacks Safari, Google Chrome, Firefox, and other browsers. SkilledValue adware shows many intrusive advertisements not related to the sites that you actually visit. If this SkilledValue was installed somehow to your computer, right-click on it and move it to the trash. This adware is spread through integration with many free applications. Of course, it does not bring any positive value for your system. I recommend that you additionally investigate your computer with Combo Cleaner. Get it on the page combocleaner.com. You may select your preferred operating system, download it, install it, and start carefully examining your computer with its help. After you successfully download and install Combo Cleaner, this is the way it looks like. By the way, Combo Cleaner is available both for Mac and for Windows computers. Combo Cleaner is initially in the trial mode, so click on Start Combo Scan button. First of all, the program should update its anti-malware database for proper detection and removal of any malware. Even in the trial mode, there are certain free features. They are Disk Cleaner, Big Files, and Duplicates. Even these three free features will help you to essentially improve the performance and the general speed of your computer. Combo Cleaner is powerful enough to detect and delete threats like adware, browser hijackers, ransomware, all sorts of unwanted pop-ups, browser redirections, online scam, and other threats. At the end of the scanning, you will see the full summary of all the threats which were found. You will be able to know their locations, but I recommend that you consider upgrading to Premium as the best solution to keep your computer free of any other threats.